Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to reduce the input lag and turn on game mode on your Nintendo Switch so when you're playing, your shots are more accurate. So let's go ahead, jump into the video right now. So if you're going to be playing a competitive shooter or some really fast action game on your Nintendo Switch, you're going to want to go ahead and reduce the input lag. Now, on the Nintendo Switch, this is very easy to do. Now, on your TV remote, go ahead and go to the menu options. Just go ahead and press menu or go to the TV settings. So for me, I'm on a Samsung TV. If I go under the picture settings and then scroll on down to system right here, let's go ahead and go to system. Now we can go over to the right and scroll on down under this list right here until we get to general. So let's go ahead and choose general now. And then here is game mode right at the top. I already have it turned on, but you want to go ahead and select this, make sure it's turned on. And what is game mode? Game mode will accelerate the speed of video games running from the game to the console connected to the TV. There may be a slight degradation in graphical quality. So we have game mode turned on. Excellent. Now if we go back to the game, we'll notice like the time it takes to have a movement on the screen from when we go ahead and make a movement on the joystick will be significantly less. So make sure your TV is capable of using the game mode. See if there's a setting for game mode somewhere in there. Now, another way that you can reduce the input lag is playing on a monitor, like on your computer or something like that. Many of those are HDMI now. All you have to do is plug it in, just like you would on the back of the TV. You just take this HDMI cable and you plug it directly into your monitor, and you should be able to play. Also, if you are playing directly just on the Nintendo Switch screen right here, you'll notice this will be probably quicker than your TV screen as well if you're just playing with the Nintendo Switch screen. So go ahead and turn on game mode, play just on your screen here, or connect to a monitor, and you'll be reducing the input delay in Fortnite and all your other competitive games that you love playing. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.